sink it.
This challenge is really scary because I've never done a realistic outside space before.
I need to build up lots of layers of foam and cut it.
What Dr. Curtis said, and put her on a 12-lead ECG for visibility.
Dr. Sim.
Go, 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 go!
Wait,
Let's go!
Fly in. I poured on a little
road out here in their off-the-grid isolation. Something began. Well, not when.
Wind and rain, and so we're hoping that precious cargo will tell us a bit about, perhaps where we came from.
Gordon Osinski is a professor of earth sciences at Western University. Kahnawake First Nation in Quebec held its third annual Orange Shirt Day, where people are making their shirts in preparation for National Truth and Reconciliation Day.
I think it's really meaningful, and it makes you think about all the families that were hurt from residential schools and how our community is affected by it.
People are encouraged to bring in their own light-colored shirt, preferably orange, and then artists will put prints on them. People will march wearing these shirts next Saturday. I'm Neil Herland. You're watching CBC News Network.
Is that everything you needed to do or everything you were able to do?
You cannot walk away from this money.
A quick explanation.
Join David Cochran for Power in Politics, weekdays at 5 p.m. Eastern.
There's DNA. Then there's heavy-duty DNA. HDNA. It's what every GMC Sierra HD driver is born with, and it's engineered into every aspect of the GMC Sierra HD, with the pulling power to prove it. The new